Hello children, welcome back to your science class. In our previous class, we had studied about the process of crystallization. Now we are going to move to the next point, very important types of pure substances. So the pure substances are of two types, elements and compounds. So what is element? It is a basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reactions. Elements are of three types. They are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Properties of metals: they have luster, they have malleable characteristic, they are ductile, they are good conductor of heat and electricity, they are sonorous. So for example, iron, aluminium, zinc, mercury, etc. Now what are properties of non-metals? They do not have luster, they are not malleable or ductile, they are poor conductor of heat and electricity, they do not produce sound, so they are non-sonorous. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, carbon, sulfur, etc. Next, let us see properties of metalloids. Metalloids are elements which show some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. So it shows some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals. What is a compound? A compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. For example, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, iron sulfide, etc. See over here children, very important difference between element and compound. An element cannot be broken into simpler substance. Compound is composed of two or more simpler substances, so they can be separated through chemical means. Elements have their own fixed physical and chemical properties. Compounds, physical and chemical properties of compound are different from those its constituent. Fourth point, an atom is the smallest particle of an element taking part in a chemical reaction. A compound carbonate cannot be separated into its constituent by simple mechanical means. So let us quickly see the summary what we have studied in this lesson. We saw about the pure substance. Then we discussed what are mixtures, what are pure substances. Then we discussed what is true solution, what are colloidal solution, suspension, Tyndall effect, saturated solution. Later we discussed about the separation techniques, in which we saw there were evaporation, crystallization, chromatography. So all these different separation techniques, and then we saw what are elements and compounds. So children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.